Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Ronald W. Satz, founder and chair of the International Society of Unified Science and president of TransPower Corporation, a commercial and custom software manufacturing and certified systems engineering company. I work as a theoretical physicist and as a systems and mechanical engineer. Today we're going to discuss some economics. Yes, the grandfather of the reciprocal system, Samuel Alexander, had an excellent knowledge of economics. He corresponded quite a bit with Herbert Spencer, who was the main advocate of laissez-faire capitalism in the 19th century. And then, of course, my mentor, W. Larson, wrote 2 books on economics. He was also very excellent, had an excellent knowledge of economics. And so do I. It's part of theoretical physics that we're also good with theoretical economics. Okay, now we're going to discuss the sorry record of the Federal Reserve System. Here we go. The total inflation in the U.S. currency from 1913, when the Federal Reserve System was established, until now, which was 2017 when I wrote this piece, it's now 2019, is a remarkable 2,352.9%. Therefore, the Federal Reserve System has been an utter failure. It's thus obvious that the theories and equations utilized by the Fed are dead wrong. Even today, the staff of the Fed consists mostly of Keynesian or neo-Keynesian fools like Janet Yellen and Thomas Lubeck, among others. These individuals believe that interest rates can be artificially set by the Fed to control the economy, but this causes the misallocation of capital. What the Fed should be doing is to control the quantity of currency in circulation by buying back bonds from the public with newly printed money in case there's deflation, or selling bonds to the public and retiring the currency, and when there's a threat of deflation, so as to keep the price level perfectly stable. But their theories do not tell them how to do this properly. The true theory of economics is Larsonian econophysics. My paper, Theory of Microeconomics and Macroeconomics, Larsonian Econophysics, provides a detailed computational version of this theory, written in MathCAD. For the first time in economics, an explicit equation is derived to calculate the change in circulating currency to keep the average price level constant. This paper is available as a free PDF at reciprocalsystem.guru. In fact, I'll give you the link in the description. But the paper looks like this. And I'm just going to read the abstract for you. I'm not going to go through the whole paper today. But you should study this carefully. This paper presents a computational version of the theory of microeconomics and macroeconomics developed by scientist engineer D.B. Larson. Unlike most economic theories, Larson's theory is based on scientific methodology, not sociology or, quote, social science, and thus can be considered econophysics. It identifies the fundamental component of the economic mechanism and the fundamental equation underlying all economic transactions. The theory posits 17 principles from which all theoretical deductions are made. Thus, the theory is axiomatic, unified, and general. This paper derives detailed equations to solve the maximization problems of the representative producer-retailer, the representative worker-consumer, and the representative country as a whole, including the GDP, the growth rate, and the inflation rate. The paper shows how the aggregate price level is affected by numerous factors and shows the means by which it can be kept constant while letting the free market set interest rates. The calculations are verified by comparison with actual economic data. Okay, so there you have it. I've implemented all these equations into my latest commercial software program, Optimal Economist, an implementation of Larsonian Econophysics, which you can purchase from Amazon.com or TransPowerCorp.com, $295. Covers individuals, businesses, business sectors, and whole countries. So it's very comprehensive, very easy to use system. Now, for the reciprocal system as a whole, simplest possible treatment is my work, The Unmysterious Universe. All the concepts are there, very few equations. This is the easiest way to learn about the reciprocal system, the true theory of everything. Now, if you do want all the equations, both for physical science and economic science, please obtain my work. Existence and Interactions, a computational treatise of the reciprocal system, the true theory of everything. 711 pages in the PDF, 711 slides in the PowerPoint file, thousands of equations, numerous tables, diagrams, drawings, everything you could possibly want to know about the physical universe. There's also metaphysics in there, and also the economics papers in there, econophysics. So very comprehensive. Now once you get through all of that, then you might want to consider getting the 2 database modules, which are the proof, the verification of the entire system. We have the reciprocal system microcosmos database, which covers the properties of material and cosmic photons, subatoms, atoms, compounds, and alloys. And the reciprocal system macrocosmos database, which covers all the astrophysical phenomena, the universe as a whole, galaxy clusters, galaxies, star clusters, stars, planets, moons, minor bodies like asteroids and comets, nebulae, and voids. Very comprehensive, thousands and thousands of photographs in the macrocosmos database. Numerous graphs are available in both database modules. Again, you can obtain all of my work at Amazon.com or transpowercorp.com. Study the reciprocal system and prove it for yourself. Thanks for your attention.